The X-ray Bucky stand is provided with a sliding slot, and a pair of spring beads for Bucky lifting adjustment are symmetrically embedded in the center of the upper section of the sliding slot. The plexiglass is first fixed by screws on the solid surface of the X-ray Bucky stand. The partition plate is then fixed with a certain degree of hard foam block on both sides thereof to form a trapezoidal body fixing groove. And a transparent polyester film is covered with the groove shape through the pulling rope and the elastic force. The loose belt is provided with a fixed position plate. The other side of the X-ray Bucky stand is provided with a slide box, and a lower slot of the card is provided at the lower edge of the bottom edge. The bottom is welded with a spiral steel column and a column angle iron pointer, and the steel column is equipped with a rotating jacket. The top of the rotating jacket is welded with a T-shaped steel plate. The lower end is provided with an angle disc with 490-degree scales. The lower section is provided with a fixed knob. Then the X-ray Bucky stand is fixed to the T-shaped shape at the top of the rotating jacket. On the steel plate, the upper plate is fixed on the T-shaped steel plate at the center of the bottom of the X-ray Bucky stand.